Hello, this is Mansur Ghadir. Today I will show you how to do breathing sound. So, hi, how are you?
Good.
Can you please confirm your name and date of birth? Sure.
My name is Mohammed Al Salah. My date of birth is 28 February 1999.
So, I want to do the breathing sound from you. Sure. Could you So the breathing sound for him is normal. Thank you.